So here I have my fresh ackees in the bowl. Now you want to ensure that you remove the ackee from the pod, and you want to clean it and wash it properly. Alright, now I have my saltfish. And guys, you know, say saltfish, as the name says saltfish, you know you have to wash it very well to remove some of the salt. Alright, so I'm gonna rinse out my saltfish nicely, and I'm gonna wash my ackee as well, and then I am going to show you when I'm going to add it to the pot. Now I'm not preparing a lot, you know, based on the proportion. You have to do the ackee based on the proportion. Alright, so if you're preparing a whole lot of ackee, you know you have to add enough saltfish. However, if you're a person like me who don't love a lot of saltfish with your ackee, you just love to eat ackee by itself, then you don't need to add a lot of saltfish. Alright, now I have 2 pots on the stove. The one on the left, I'm going to place my saltfish in. Now to prepare saltfish, the water don't need to be boiling. You can just add a saltfish to the cold water. Alright, now for the ackee, you know the water have to boil, because as you add the ackee, the water goes stop boiling. Alright, now I added some salt. You have to cook your ackee with salt so that it can have flavor. So I added salt to my liking. So I'm gonna just cover the pot, let it come to a boil. Now I'm gonna add my saltfish. Now guys, I'm just adding my washed saltfish. As I said, you want to ensure that you wash your saltfish before you add it to the pot, because guys, even though saltfish must be boiled, or you can soak it overnight or so, but you have to ensure say you remove the excess salt. If not, then you know your saltfish are gonna can and that not gonna taste good. Alright, now I'm adding my ackees to the pot, and based on the saltfish, I'm going to let it boil twice. Then I'm going to, each time I'm going to throw off the water, and the last time after I throw off that water, I'm going to put some fresh water on it. Alright, some cool water, just to, you know, soak out the excess salt. Alright, because even though you boil a saltfish, some salt still gonna leave in. Even though you want your saltfish to have that nice flavor with the salt, but you don't want too much salt. So at this point, I'm just checking on the ackees to see if they're fully cooked. Now once you insert the fork and it goes through it, then you know your ackees are cooked. You don't want to boil the ackee too long until it mash up. That'll turn off, guys. Alright, so my ackee boil for about 8 to 10 minutes, based on how you like your ackee, or based on the nature of the ackee, because you know some ackees, they're tougher than some. Alright, so now we are going to drain with ackee. So I'm using a colander to do that. So I'm gentle straining the water. Alright, you don't want to throw down your ackee in there, guys, because the ackee is soft, so you don't want it to mash up when you add it. Alright, so after draining the hot water, I am going to use some room temperature water to just rinse the ackee, just to stop the cooking process. Alright, I don't want my ackee to be softer than this, so this step enables it not to cook any further. Alright, so just gonna shake to remove the excess water, and then I'm going to let it drain fully. Alright, I added some oil to the pot. Now everybody knows I'm gonna love cook with a lot of oil, so I'm gonna just add enough oil just to fry up the saltfish. Alright, now guys, I did a video where I prepared cook up saltfish, so in that video it's more detailed, whereas it shows you how to scrape a saltfish and all of that. Now after the oil becomes hot, I am going to add the saltfish. Now when I cook up saltfish, I do it differently from when I look after ackee and saltfish. Alright, so I'm gonna kind of fry off my saltfish first, and then I'm gonna just add the other ingredients. Now the saltfish recipe I was telling you about, I will leave the link in the description box, so if you are interested, you can always check it out. Now while I fry off a saltfish, because my pot it sticks, anything I put in there it sticks easily, so I have to continuously stir it around. Alright, so that's what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna just fry up my saltfish for about 2 minutes on like a medium high flame, and then after I do that, then I'm gonna add my onion. Now I'm using some onion rings. You can add as much seasoning as you like, guys, and I'm also gonna add some fresh thyme. I love to add time in a mind. I love to add some scallion and scotch bonnet pepper. If you like to add tomatoes or sweet peppers or whatever you want to add, guys, I always tell you now, food in the kitchen, so add whatever you like. Alright, so this is just my preference. This is how I prepare my ackee and saltfish. So anyway, I prepare food one, me love ackee, so anyway I prepare it, nice to me. Alright, so the way how me love ackee, guys, I don't need to add no saltfish to it. I just boil the ackee and I just fry it up with little salt. I'm quite fine. Alright, now that's just me. So if you're not that type, then that's fine. Alright, now you want to gentle mix your ackee. You don't want it to mix too hard and then you break up your ackees. Alright, so I'm add some black pepper. Now to fry my ackee, I have to add some black pepper. Alright, guys, that's just me. What if you're not a person who likes black pepper? Then you don't need to add it. Alright, I added a small piece of scotch bonnet pepper. I'm afraid of pepper, guys, so I'm gonna add a whole lot. Now I'm using a wooden spoon, so I place the wooden spoon under the ackee and add other ingredients and I bring it over. Alright, you don't mix it hard because you don't want it to break up. Alright, so once I do this step, guys, on the ackee now I'm gonna mash up. Alright, normally when I was just starting to cook, my ackee them always mash up. And I say, why me always cook my ackee and I always mash up? And then I realized that when I do it this way, you know, mash up. And also you don't want to cook your ackees too long. You want to cook it till it's fork tender but not mash up. Alright, so I just added some more scallion on top just to garnish, and the ackee is all done. Alright, guys, so if it was not fresh ackee, then you'd have to cook it differently. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, guys, and if you do, share the video, subscribe, tell others about my recipes. Now I'm having mine with some green bananas, some boiled green bananas, and some whole wheat dumpling. Guys, I love whole wheat dumpling, but I prepare mine in such a way whereas you don't even know say whole wheat dumpling I eat. Alright, even my 6-year-old daughter, she loved it so much. Alright, so guys, in an upcoming video I'll show you how I prepare my whole wheat dumpling, and trust me, guys, you're gonna enjoy the recipe because it tastes so good. And you know, if you want to eat healthier, then you know, healthy is the way to go. Alright, I do add some more ingredients to mine other than the whole wheat flour, as you know, but it tastes really good. Alright, guys, so take care, big up on yourselves straight.